What's happening, guys? For those of you who have not met Oreo, this is our new puppy, and she is a Staffordshire Bull Terrier, or a Staffy. And today is a really special day. So you can see on screen we're at 29,999, and if I refresh, 30,000. So I just want to give a massive thank you to every single one of you guys, and I'm also going to get my brother in on this. Dig how small this thing is. See if you've got a ear check.
Little hoopsie.
This is my brother Jay. As you know, he is our editor. So Jay and Dan Rodgers, just giving you a really big thank you for 30,000 subscribers.
Thank you, guys.
Both my brother and I really appreciate every single one of you. Very glad the tutorials are helping. We're going to be doing more on the podcast, or the Rodcast, as we're calling it, off of Rodgers. So we're lining up some awesome guests for that, specifically e-commerce brands that you guys want to learn from, and a lot more other content. We're actually creating some ideas for playlists.
Quick word from me. Really appreciate all the comments that have kept us going, kept us strong as a team. Obviously very grateful to be a part of what you guys have been a part of here. Looking forward to the future with all of you. So big thank you and have a fantastic day forward.
We'll catch you in the next video.